everyone, I'm Metro Nicole, and if you don't know by now, I'm a true coffee lover. In today's video, I'm trying out Javy coffee concentrate for the first time. I'm giving my honest opinion, so let's get started. So Javy is a sugar-free, all-natural, guilt-free, dairy-free, gluten-free coffee, and one bottle is 35 servings, 80 milligrams of caffeine per serving. It has 0 sugar. All you need is 1 or 2 teaspoons of the coffee concentrate in either iced or hot water. You can add whatever coffee syrup you would like, any type of creamer. The possibilities are endless. This coffee was delicious. It has that right balance of coffee and creamer. I prefer to have more of a coffee taste versus creamer. So if you prefer the creamer taste, just add a little bit of creamer. Here I'm showing you guys the recipe book that was provided in my package, and it gives you simple instructions of how to make your coffee. It also provides other coffee flavors and other products that Javy offers, and it gives a few recipes to try as well. I'll link a description code that you can get a percentage off your first purchase. Also, the website will be listed where you can buy more and save more, plus free shipping. I hope you guys enjoy and give Javy a try.